Welcome to UFO sightings footage. Have we got a brilliant conspiracy theory for you that you can actually check out for yourself and get the results instantly in real time. Side-by-side images of the Death Star and Saturn's moon Lapetus. The alien Death Star is a dead ringer for the moon of Saturn Lapetus, and that is just a matter of fact. There's no chance that this was an accident or a naturally forming range made from ice. Disclosure is coming from and on behalf of Hollywood directors. It seems that some Hollywood directors must be privy to insider knowledge and are maybe tasked with bringing that and other futuristic predictions or secret knowledge to the public. The similarities are just coincidental and extraordinary. What do you think about this? The news article we came across points this out in stark contrast. The online news article went like this. Shock claim. Saturn's huge moon Lapetus is an alien Death Star. Saturn's mysterious moon Lapetus is an alien Death Star created by an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization, according to conspiracy theorists. Scientists are still baffled by how Lapetus, the third largest of Saturn's 62 moons, formed, as it does not seem to show similar formation patterns to the other ringed planets' lunar satellites such as Titan and Rhea. An image taken by NASA's unmanned Cassini spacecraft in 2004 shows a line that stretched around the entire moon, leading to theories that it was once two metallic structures that had been welded together. UFO sightings footage says yes. We say yes that this is quite possible, and as far as a good guess is concerned and as a probability that this one sits way up in the 80% region. The shape of the moon is eerily similar to that of the Death Star in Star Wars, with some suggesting that movie makers have been slowly feeding the public information. Now this is something that UFO sightings footage has been saying for the better part of 15 years. Ever since the amazing movie called The Matrix have we been paying close attention to the sci-fi genre and the movies that Hollywood have been putting out. A YouTube conspiracy theory channel said in the video, "There's some very prominent researchers out there who have theorized that Lapetus is a constructed object, it's artificial. We go back to Hollywood drip-feeding us bits of truth. We didn't even have close-up images of Lapetus, supposedly, when the Star Wars films came out in the 70s. Yet decades later we finally have some great close-up images, and it's identical to this fictional artificial weapon that is disguised as a planet in the Star Wars films. The huge ridge along the center of the moon is 16,000 kilometers long and 20 kilometers high, almost double the size of Earth's largest mountain, Mount Everest. This, according to the narrator of the video, is proof that it has been pieced together." The video continues, "It looks as if there were two separate pieces, and it's almost as if they were welded together. There is a large welding mark wrapping around the crater as if they were two separate pieces that were cut down the middle and connected together." However, astronomers say that the most likely explanation for the giant ridge is that the moon expanded very quickly in its early days, causing ice to collect at the center. So what do you think about this amazing and convincing conspiracy theory? Everyone has seen the Death Star from Star Wars. But not everyone has seen the moon Lapetus, so putting two and two together may not be so forthcoming. But when you see the images and when the movie came out, that's when things start to click into place and the conspiracy theory starts to build inside the brain. We love bringing you online news articles that seem right out of a fictitious book or straight out of a Hollywood movie. What UFO sightings footage wants you to do is this: keep an eye on the Hollywood movies that are in the science fiction genre, because it's there that you'll find a lot of similarities. Most Hollywood sci-fi movies have a lot in common. The communicator, the laser gun, the warp speed, the tractor beam, and the shields around the spaceship. There's just so many things in the movies that are becoming a reality. Humans are quite literally predicting the future and paving the way for the future to happen. It is mind-blowing what Star Trek predicted. The predictions in that TV series are just mind-blowing, but that is the title of another video. Thank you for checking our video out, and be sure to like and subscribe. This is UFO sightings footage saying peace.